Good afternoon. I haven't vlogged yet today. This little girl's hungry, so I'm gonna feed her. Okay. I don't think she's sick. She's been sleeping a lot today. And Bubba's is resting over there. So let me feed her and then we're gonna go, or then I'm gonna make lunch. So, yeah. Let me feed you, baby girl. Let me feed. Super windy and thunder. It's gonna storm, right, Papa? You see the water? Oh, you feel it? Do you feel the rain? Oh, wow, yeah. Okay, it's starting to come down. You can see the droplets. You see the droplets of rain?
Look at this.
Yeah.
I'm raining.
Oh, it's raining. You feel it? You feel the rain on you? I was actually about to head to Walmart, which actually I still might. Whoa, don't follow the wind, it's blowing super hard. I actually still might head to Walmart right now. I have to return some stuff.
Look.
Yeah, look at all the raindrops. Look at all the raindrops. Uh-oh, it's coming down hard. It's starting to come down. Okay, let's get back inside, baby.
Okay.
Yeah, you see it? See all the raindrops? Somebody's gum?
Look. I'm raining there.
You see it? Wow, it's rain. So excited. Okay, let's go back inside because we gotta get ready. We're gonna go bye-bye.
Look.
Do you wanna go bye-bye? Do you wanna go bye-bye? Oh, it's coming down. Here it comes. Let's go before it starts to rain even harder. I'm working on some bows here.
Poop in my chair.
Oh my god. But I'm also going to do these colors right here. And this one too, this light pink, which is what I'm working on right now. So
I'm recording you. No, I'm not. It's not even on. I'm tired.
Yeah, and I have a shirt. No, I think I already showed you guys this yesterday. This one, and then I did this one today. So just getting stuff done. Both the kids are asleep, and I might be up for a while. I don't even know what time it is. It's 10 o'clock, so yeah, both the kids are actually in bed already, so I'm actually pretty happy. Watching some Bob's Burgers, and yes, the room is a mess. There's a lot of things over there I need to get rid of. Actually, I'm just gonna like donate or sell them, so I need to go through all his stuff and get rid of a lot of stuff because he has a lot of stuff. So yeah, let me go show you the babies. They look so cute. Archer's been really good about falling asleep on his own, so let me show you. She's wearing her new pajamas. I bought her some new pajamas at Walmart. So, yeah, both the kids are out. And, yeah, so, yeah, I think I might just end the vlog right now. So, I'm actually, oh, over there's Batman fabric, as you can see. I'm actually making some more skirts like this one, like this Tinkerbell one. So, because on Thursday I have a craft fair that I can go to, which is why I have all these bows and everything that I'm making. And then I have some other material that I need to make some stuff with as well. So that way I can sell as much as I can, because there is a stroller that I want to get and I'm trying to save up for it. I think it's $300. Because the one that we have doesn't work very well, especially for Anae. So this other one, it's a lot better. Like, I guess I'll show you guys when I get it, and I'll do a review on it when I get it, because it is amazing. So yeah, so I cannot wait to get it. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. There's some other orders I want to get done tonight, and yeah, and I'm not that tired right now, so I want to get them done while I'm awake. And then yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe. And, you know, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, bye.
Get in.
He's so happy.
Sit down, sit down.
Sit down and drive.
Sit down and drive. Close the door.
Oh, it really squirts. Babe.
Huh?
It really squirts water.
Oh, that's awesome.
On the back. It's not on there right now, but.
Yeah. That's super cool.
Is that cool?
Press the button with your foot. Press the button with your foot. No, just one.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Isn't that the cutest thing ever?
Yeah, just like that. Like that, right here.
I want to know how fast this